Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is my last process video for how to kill a kit with style, and I am going to use this picture, and it is my daughter's foot is right there and Santa Claus is right there, and it is a tradition in my household to where she puts her footprint right by Santa Claus, and then I take a picture of it so that this shows that Santa came to our house. So I am in Kristen Davis Creative Scrappers Creating with Sketches page 20, and I am going to use that sketch right there. So this sketch has a bunch of papers lined up and it's just pretty much straightforward. And instead of doing this side of a picture, I'm going to do this side, obviously. And I'm going to have the paper, the big ones right there. And then that's the border. Here is that one. And then I don't have much paper left. So this is like the scraps that I have left. And then I have one sheet left and this. So we are going to see how we're going to do this. Now, I'm pretty much going to cover this part up because I want my photo to be there, and we'll make that work. So while I look at all of this and I get this through, let's get started. All right, so here is the process video of this. So after I got all of the papers figured out, cut some of them out, and decided to put them together, I started to do the border within the border and then go from there. Now, I know that for this particular, sketch that is from the sketchbook that I showed you in the beginning, there's like a lot of borders and then the strips go across. So I really don't have much paper left. Like, what you're looking at is about all I've got. So I had to really use up my strips, and it took me a while to get this down, and it's kind of because I used this already, and you will know in my layout share and what I have left over for how to kill a kit with style, I had to pretty much disband this and figure out what I'm going to do with the other stuff, because I just don't have enough paper in this particular layout. So while it worked for me, and that's the beauty of how to kill a kit with style, is to use it for killing those kits. And I'm gonna be very honest. I use a lot of hip kits. I get their products a lot, and I get up to 4 collections actually. So normally I will get the main kit, the embellishment kit, the paper kit, which just adds on to the paper that's in the main kit, and then the color kit, depending on what product they have in a color kit, because you guys all know I'm pretty fussy with my mixed media. So I realized that I accidentally put this paper on, or this photo, upside down, and then I realized it, and I'm able to pull it up. I was like a little worried that it was not going to come up right. So here I go. You'll see me. I stick it down, and I'm it looks a lot quicker, but I had to really be slow at it because I have this sped up pretty much. So I do have quite a bit of stuff left over, but it's still kind of a lot of the oddball, odd stuff left that you're it's not gonna quite work, but I make it work. And I think that really, in retrospect, when you get down to the lower part of your collections, right, you start to realize, how am I going to start to make layouts? And I didn't add anything. I did come in with my Nouveau Mist, Micro Mist, and spray, but I made this work. And I think that what I did in this one, I feel that it achieved. So as I stated in the first part of this video, I was explaining what the photo is about and the tradition. So I'm going to use the title under the tree, because it is kind of under the tree, because obviously in my household, Santa Claus comes on the 24th and then leaves, you know, Christmas gifts if she is deemed, you know, a good kiddo, you know, and has been on the nice list and not the naughty list. And so I'm just going through what I feel is going to work, and I'm trying to make these little stockings work. And at first I was like, oh, I felt like at first I was like, I don't know if I like this, but wait until you see how I get it together, and it actually works out really well. Sorry, excuse me. And then I come down and I add this little stamp set down here, and then I'm going through the florals and kind of adding this little, I don't know, wreath. I made a wreath. I made it look like the wreath would work down there, and it just brought that together. And I'm just going through everything and putting it all down. So make sure that you go check out everybody in the, you know, that's listed down below. Make sure that you go check out all of my information. I've got all this fun stuff that's coming out in the month of July, or in the month of August. Next week is going to be my like layout share and what I have left over in the kit, because I don't have any more Christmas related videos. I can't, and I killed this kit. Like I can't do anything. Like I have one, I don't even have a full piece of paper. So you'll notice that when I get going. And then the other thing too is that at the time of me doing this voiceover, I think I don't think I printed out my 2021 Christmas, my December documented to even try to make another one. And I know that obviously I'll make sure I get through all of it too through the month of December. And if I don't, well, you guys will see some Christmas in July. Now, lastly, I came in with the Nouveau Micro Mist, and one is the Berry Swirl, and the other one is Crimson Velvet. And then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I would love to have you, and the still shots are coming up. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.